Now, most women with a womb have to take two forms of HRT, estrogen and progesterone. But for many women, their type of progesterone that they take, a brand called Utrogestan, continues to be out of stock across pharmacies across the UK, a continuing HRT scandal here in the United Kingdom. But I've just been talking to a woman and it's just filled me with, I just feel sick at what she told me. She said, oh, well, my brand of progesterone is out of stock. I take Utrogestan. So I'm just continuing with the estrogen until my brand comes back in stock. That is really, really, really dangerous for your health. If your GP has prescribed that you take two forms of HRT, namely estrogen and progesterone, you've got to replace that progesterone with another brand. So go back to your GP, have a discussion about what the options and alternatives are. If you're an employer, can you make sure that you share this as part of a really important comms update? Many women are struggling to get hold of a type of progesterone called Utrogestan, and if they can't access it, they must go back to their GP and look at what an alternative is. If you've got private healthcare for them, please make sure that you refer them to that benefit so they can talk to a medic about a different brand and a different format of Utrogestan. It is really important for women's health.